Hello viewers, just across from the Temple Bar in Costa Adeje, just to let you know that during the day, Scotch Corner and Linger Longer are open. Temple Bar is always open at night as well. St Eugene's is also just opened. I was in there last night down the stairs, they've got some good live music. Now, phone update. We're going to go in the shop centre in a wee minute. You'll have to turn your volume up full. The quality in this phone, audio wise, is not good, so you need to turn the volume up full. This is a temporary phone. As you may know, I lost my phone last night, unfortunately, and I decided just to buy a cheap replacement for one day while I'm here. We'll do some videos, and I need your feedback, guys. Let me know, how bad is the audio on a scale of 1 to 10? Would you give it a 6 out of 10? Less? I went into the shop here and I spoke to a guy called Harry. He's a very honest guy, and he told me the audio is not going to be good for obviously just a budget phone I was looking for one day. Hopefully the video quality is not too bad, but let me know in the comments, can you hear me talking? I know the audio isn't great. What I'll do is I'll take a lot of videos and I'll just put background music on them if we're struggling with the audio. I took a video in here about a year ago and there was nothing open virtually. Everything seems to be open. There's quite a few people about. Beverly Hills Cafe. There's Harry's shop on the left. The shop's been here since 1990. And there's Harry there. Hello Harry. Harry says if you come in and mention the Scotsman in Tenerife YouTube channel, he'll do a good discount for you. Always Harry. Harry and his brother run this shop. It's a family business. We'll see Harry soon. Thanks Harry. Harry was saying there, he'll guarantee everything. He says at some of the other shops are not as good. Let me know in the comments. Have you bought anything from Harry? The shop's been there a long time. Good variety of shops in this centre, isn't there? Let me know also, what's the video quality like? It's not going to compare to my old phone. That was a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And I'm going to miss it, unfortunately. Remember I was telling you, always watch your belongings? Yeah. I was walking home last night, I was in the rum pot. And down at Terviscus, down to the Sunset Harbour. And just